I don't know if you guys know that I'm an abacha seller in this channel. Next time when I get abacha, all the delicacies, the way this girl loves the abacha and all this local meals, I used
My wife, oh, my wife, oh, my life, my everything, my wife, oh, she love me better, mata de ma, echeta nata, my baby, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my life, my everything, my wife, oh, she love me better, mata de ma, echeta nata, my baby, my wife, oh, 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 sugar mo, honey mo.
Your sister has taught you how to cry. Hey, good morning, guys. How you guys doing? Look at how I'm sweating. This is morning, but we are not just waking up, guys. Kasim has already gone to school like 3 hours or 4 hours ago. But I just removed our mosquito net that we slept with, and that's because the weather was so cloudy this morning, and you guys know now mosquito in this Delta state. I don't know if it's only in Delta state. Mosquito this time around is too much. Like mosquito literally bites even in the afternoon. So I don't used to remove our mosquito net on time. I leave it like that kind 12 or 1, depending on how the weather looks. But now the sun is out, and if you are lying on the bed, you must be feeling heat. So the kind of mosquito in this Delta state, especially this Sugeli, if you like, buy the highest fleet on earth. If you like, if you get to your house, my sister, it will still bite you. So to be on a safer side, we sleep with mosquito nets. I have few errands to run today. First of all, I'll be going to the bank. Yesterday, I was supposed to go to that, but my husband called me that Access Bank was having serious network issue, that I shouldn't bother going to bank that yesterday. So I didn't go. Today, first of all, I'll go to the bank. Excuse me. From there, I'll be going to somewhere called Spare Parts in this way to go and meet up with somebody. Someone called me that she have a job for me, but I don't really know everything about the job. So I'll be meeting up with her after, once I'm done from the bank. I'll be meeting up with her so that she will tell me more about the job. I don't know how long I will spend there, so I'll be going with her food and everything. So I want to pack our bags now so that we'll start getting ready.
My baby, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my life, my everything, my wife, oh, she love me better, mata de ma, echeta nata, my baby, my wife, oh, 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 sugar mo, honey mo, na my own, oh, my baby, my wife, oh. I thank God for blessing in my life, the highest blessing in my wife, oh. She know how to sweet in my life, how to cool my heart. Cause you know Lord in my day you know day, she go dey manage you. My wife, oh, my wife, oh, my life, my
MyLifeNT.com.
my wife, oh, she love me better. Mata de ma, chai, echeta nata, my baby, my wife, oh, 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 sugar mo, honey mo, na my own, oh, my baby, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my life, my everything, na my wife, oh, she love me better. Mata de ma, chai, echeta nata, my baby, my wife, oh, she love me better. Mata de ma, echeta nata, my baby, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my wife, oh, my life, my everything, my wife, oh, she love me better. Mata de ma, chai, echeta nata, my baby, my wife, oh, 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 sugar mo,
Hey guys, my head is always standing as if. Relax, my friend, relax. So I just received a call from a client that he wants 3 plates of abacha. Like he gave me 1 hour to prepare it for him. So I'm just going to quickly run the package and collect my money and put for pockets. I don't know if you guys know that I'm an abacha seller in this channel. Correct Enugu State abacha. In case if you want to know how to make this abacha, I'll be making a detailed video about it on this channel. I don't know which will be going first. This one might go up before that one, I don't know, but just on your post notification bell so that anytime I post that abacha video, you get notified.
Make we dey struggle, make we dey hustle. This world is tough, only need go malamu. If money there for your pocket, in a basamba. When I'm born chubego, when I'm rapana one day. Onye say nobody enjoy tabafufu. Onye rapana one day. Kabaru babambo batego, kina bamba. Chop life with your brother. Onye rapana one day.
So guys, the orders are ready.
Onye say nobody enjoy tabafufu.
Oh my god, guys, we are done. Look at how I'm sweating. Hi, and Chinemere Kasima. We are chilling outside. This Kasima is eating her own abacha. Inside the house is very hot and there's no light. You just have to come outside and I should show you again. You just have to come outside and receive fresh air. I don't even know if you guys can hear me because my neighbor just on her generator. How Eliana is looking at you guys. Okay. The way Kasima loves her abacha, Omo. Mama, you are enjoying? What are you doing? Look at her eyes. She's just waking up from sleep. I made noodles for her. Immediately she started this abacha. She said, no, I want to eat abaricha. Oh yeah, pursue fly. Look at fly. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's okay. Oh yeah, eat. The way Kasima loves abacha, not just abacha, all these local meals, local delicacies, the way this girl loves abacha and all these local meals, Omo, I used to be wondering, new generation child. It used to surprise me, I swear to God. Look at what she's doing. This girl is character. What is it? You are choking. Drink water, drink water. Drink water. Look at your tummy. Your tummy is already big. Mama, are you sure you can finish it? Mommy, can you finish the abaricha? She used to call it abaricha. Mama, look at how you left your abacha. I can't finish it now. I should eat that one. You don't want to eat it again. Oh my God.
I'm myself now.